Voltronyx brand power supplies, setting the new standard in electrophoresis power supplies for your research laboratory today. Two versions are available in the Voltronyx brand power supply. We offer the Reactor 37 in the silver unit and the Reactor V330 in the black unit. Both units are built in a rugged space-saving chassis featuring a strong extruded aluminum case that allows you to stack unlimited units because of the strength of the units. They also take up a very small footprint of 7 inches wide and less than 4 inches tall, allowing you to slip them on shelves or limited space on your lab. When you look at Voltronyx major competitors, you first realize they just don't stack up to Voltronyx. Lightweight plastic housings, a wider footprint taking up your valuable laboratory space, and they don't have near the power density that the Voltronyx Reactor 37 and V330 have. Truly setting the standard in power supplies and built for life. The Reactor 37 power supply from Nix Technic features a bright LED screen, as you can see, for maximum visibility, even from the farthest point in your lab, allowing you to keep track of what's going on with your power supply. This unit features 4 electrical outlets that will allow you to run 4 gels simultaneously. Programming is very simple. You have the ability to change voltage, current, and time. With the touch pads, voltage, you have up to 300 volts in increments of 1 volt changes. Current, have 700 milliamps available in increments of 1 milliamp. And time, 1 minute increments, and you can run up to 999 minutes. The Reactor 37 is just a great all-around multi-purpose power supply that's designed to run the majority of your horizontal and vertical gels you'd be running in your molecular lab today. The Reactor 330 unit has some added features over our standard Reactor 37. Specifically, the 330 offers twice the power, features up to 300 watts with the ability to go up to 3,000 milliamps. This is perfect for when you need to run gels faster or you need the additional power for more difficult separations. The Reactor 330 runs in 2 different modes. It'll function as a standard power supply and a constant power supply setup, which is very similar to the first version you saw, the V37, where you can adjust the voltage, the amperage, the wattage, or time like a standard power supply. To go in here, for example, we can adjust the voltage in 1 volt increments, just like the other units. What makes the Reactor 330 so unique is its ability, though, to run in a program mode. Program mode is very similar to those of you who run thermal cyclers. In the program mode, we have the ability to detail 30 different programs or files. In those programs, we get to have 6 different steps which allow you to have a voltage, amperage, wattage, and time setting, so it allows you to run a kind of stair-step type profile simultaneously. You can do this, store up to 30 programs in this unit. The beauty of this is now you have one power supply that can do it all in your lab. Voltronyx, instruments built for life.